Good morning, student, and welcome to your English literature class. Student, today I am going to read and explain your lesson Alice in Wonderland. This is the story of a girl whose name is Alice. Okay, now let's start the reading. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. What happened? One day Alice was lying under a tree. She was lying, लेटी हुई थी under the tree. Okay, and her elder sister was reading a story book, and she was listening the story which her sister was reading. Okay, suddenly she saw a white rabbit scamper by. Suddenly means अचानक, and then scamper जल्दी से जो गुजरते हैं ना, क्विकली, उसे कहते हैं. ओके, suddenly she saw a little white rabbit scamper by. तो suddenly she saw a white rabbit is going somewhere. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. Blue coat, yes. Rabbit which Alice saw, that rabbit had pink eyes. This rabbit, it has pink eyes. Okay, and it is wearing a blue coat. Have you ever seen to a rabbit wearing the clothes? No ना, हमने कभी नहीं देखे कि जो वो हैं एनिमल्स हैं वो भी कपड़े पहन रहे हैं. But Alice saw this type of rabbit who is wearing blue coat. Then what happened? He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." Now then that rabbit take out one watch from where? From his waistcoat pocket. Okay, from waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, as you know, he is going, hurried means quickly, very quickly. He was going somewhere very quickly. He said, who he? This rabbit is he. Rabbit said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." The rabbit was saying, I am very late. She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. Now she means Alice. Alice was thinking something is different in this rabbit. Why this she was thinking about it? Because it could talk. It wore a red waistcoat. Because the rabbit can talk, and rabbit is wearing coat and waistcoat also. This is the coat. This blue one is the coat, and inside of this red one, this is his waistcoat. Understand? This is waistcoat. So she was thinking something is different. This rabbit is different from other rabbits because it can talk and it can wearing a red waistcoat and carrying a watch also. Okay, he is wearing a full cloth. Now you can see he is carrying a umbrella under his arm, है ना? Alice wondered. After seeing this rabbit, she wondered. A talking rabbit? A rabbit who wears a waistcoat? Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. When the Alice saw this rabbit, she wanted to know everything about this rabbit. That from where this type of rabbit came and what is this? What type of rabbit is this? Alice was burning with curiosity means she wanted to know everything about this rabbit and she followed. Followed means she went back to the rabbit. वो rabbit के पीछे पीछे जाने लगी. Yes, the rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. Then rabbit started running and Alice was also following the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Then rabbit popped down means jumped into a large, very large rabbit hole. As you know, the rabbits live in hole na, so this rabbit also jumped into a large hole and then Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too, and this girl Alice also jumped into the rabbit hole. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole, and the rabbit and both this girl also, Alice was also, went down to the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." Okay, Alice said aloud. You know, there is no one in the hole, only rabbit. So this girl, Alice, said to herself, उसने खुद से कहा, where am I? मैं कहाँ हूँ? Where am I? And how many miles down I fallen? और मैं कितने किलोमीटर, miles means kilometer, I have fallen. And I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. And now she start thinking that she is in the center of the earth. Okay, she wondered, she was surprised. Will I slip through the earth to the other side? Now she start thinking, will I slip in the other side of the earth through this hole? Okay. Thup. Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. Pile, student, we want to pile. Pile means dry leaves. Dry leaves means सूखी घास. जो सूखी घास का जो ढेर होता है ना, collection of dry leaves. Okay, तो that we call pile. सूखी घास का जो ढेर था उसमें Alice landed with sound of thump. Okay, she looked around quickly and she looked around quickly and quickly she looked here and there and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. When she was looking here and there, that time she saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared. Disappeared means vanish. Vanish means गायब हो जाना. ओके, इट डिसअपेयर सेइंग, वो ये बोलते हुए गायब हो गया. ओ माई ईयर्स एंड विस्कर्स. ईयर्स, यू नो, विस्कर्स मीन्स हैव यू सीन द हेयर ऑफ कैट ऑन हिज माउथ? देखे कभी बिल्ली के मुंह में बड़े बड़े से बाल होते, मूछे कहते हैं ना उसे, बिल्ली की मूछ. दैट वी कॉल विस्कर्स. How late it's getting. Now again that rabbit said, how late I am. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. Then Alice stood up and she saw a small door, very small door, about 15 inches high, only 15 inches high. Okay, it was too small to her go to through. This door was very small and Alice could not go through that door. And you people also can't go through that door, na? Because we are not of size of 15 inches. She saw a glass table with a golden. After that, Alice saw a glass table. Glass table means कांच का table. And a golden key was on that glass table. Okay. She tried the little golden key in the lock. Then she picked up that key and she put the key in the lock. And to her delight it fitted and the key was fitted to the lock. वो fit हो गई उसमें lock में. Then Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden. When she, you can see the picture, this is the door. Alice opened this door and she looked into this garden through this door. Okay, it was a loveliest. You can see here, student, this loveliest is the superlative degree of lovely. So when we use a superlative degree, so we use the with the superlative degree. Okay, garden she had ever seen. उसने आज तक कभी नहीं देखा था इतना सुंदर गार्डन, इतना ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन. ओके, how she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers. पूरा ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे बेड हो ये फूलों का. And those cool fountains, and fountains were also there. These fountains were also there, but she could not even get. But because the door is very small, है ना, only 15 inches high, so the Alice was unable to the garden through this door. Even get her head through the doorway. She could not even get her head through the doorway. The door was too small. Even she could not put her head properly through the doorway. Okay. Then what she said? Oh, I wish I could become smaller. She exclaimed loudly. उसने बहुत जोर से बोला. Oh, I wish, my wish is I want to be small. I want to be changed into a small girl. मतलब वो चाहती थी कि वो एक छोटी सी उसमें साइज में चेंज हो जाए. ठीक है, छोटी सी बन जाए. Adapted from Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland is a very long story. This story is only a very small part of that story. Okay, ये Alice in Wonderland एक बुक है इस बच्ची की जो एक वंडरलैंड में जाती है और जहाँ बहुत अजीब अजीब सी चीज़ें उसे देखने को मिलती है. ठीक है, तो ये लिखी है. द राइटर ऑफ दिस स्टोरी इज लुइस कैरोल. And student, if you want to see this picture, you can watch this picture in YouTube or Google also, and you can read the book also. Okay, download Alice in Wonderland in your YouTube and click it and you will get the picture of Alice in Wonderland. आपको Alice in Wonderland की पिक्चर मिलेगी एनिमेशन में भी और जो नॉर्मल पिक्चर होती है उसमें भी. You can get it. Okay dear, now it was the reading and explanation of the poem, story Alice in Wonderland, and this is your work. which you have to do. Alice in Wonderland. Contain means which work you are going to do in this chapter. Difficult words, word meaning, question answer, think and write, true and false, fill in the blanks, make sentence. And my dear student, these are your difficult words. Suddenly, scamper, hurry, different, curiosity, despair, whisker, delight, exclaimed. And you can see all these words of my difficult words are in small letter. Same as you have to write your difficult words with small letter. Start your difficult words with small letter. And here is word meaning. Scamper, this is also small. Hurried, small. Popped, P small. Disappear, small. And whisker, W small. Okay, your difficult words and word meaning always start with small letters. These are your question answer, and question answer you have to start with capital letters. While listening to the story, what did Alice say? This W is capital. While listening to the story, Alice suddenly saw a white rabbit which was going somewhere hurriedly. This W is also in capital letter, and in the end of the question here is a question mark. So you should put a question mark after completing a question, and when your answer will complete, you have to put a full stop. Okay, yes, you have to give the attention towards these question mark, capital letter, small letter, and full stop also. And this is the question of think and write. In this question you can do yourself also. Here I have written the answers of those questions. First question, imagine you are Alice. Suppose you are a Alice. Okay girls, and your partner is a rabbit and your friend is rabbit. What would you do? तो आप क्या करोगे? If I were Alice and my partner were a rabbit, I would do exactly what Alice did. मतलब मैं भी वैसे ही करूँगी जैसे एलिस ने किया. I would follow the rabbit to the wonderland. ठीक है. What do you think Alice saw in the garden? एलिस ने क्या क्या देखा गार्डन में? Alice saw fountains and beautiful flowers, good scenery in the garden. She also enjoyed the pleasant fragrance of colorful flowers. This is the question. That's why I am telling you to watch the movie. If you will watch the movie in YouTube, so you can write very briefly the answer of this question. Understand? अगर आप मूवी देखोगे तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप बहुत अच्छे से लिखोगे, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आपको गार्डन बहुत अच्छे से दिखाएंगे कि क्या 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 है वहाँ पर हनी बीज कैसी हैं, फ्लावर्स का साइज़ कैसा है, कलर कैसे हैं उनके. ठीक है ना. टॉकिंग फ्लावर्स हैं वहाँ पर. ये सब आपको देखने को मिलेगा इस पिक्चर में. ओके, दिस इज़ योर homework. Okay then, thank you student for watching the video.